Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can create a server on the Discord app. So first of all, you need to open the app and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now creating a Discord server is a straightforward thing. You simply need to tap on the plus sign here and then tap on the create my own option. Now you need to choose the option here whether you want to create a server for a club or a community or for you and your friends. So here you can give the name to your server. Now you can also upload a profile pictures by simply tapping on the camera icon, or we can just skip the part here and afterwards tap on the create server option and tap on share link option. So you can share your link to your friends as well, or you can simply tap on done. So that's how you can create a server on the Discord app. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.